Hey everyone, this is Ankur and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today video is all about sound effects. Yes, also popularly known as SFX. So why do we need sound effects? What is its impact? What are the benefits of it? Well, to answer this, I'll show you a clip. First, the clip will be without sound effects, and the next time the clip will be with sound effects. And you will clearly come to know what is the difference, why we should use sound effects in our video clips. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the video with sound effects looks wow, so amazing. It made the clips come alive. I could really feel it. I could really feel it not by visually seeing it, but by hearing it too. Isn't it? That's the power of sound effects. Now the next point is, from where should we get this sound effect? Is it free? Is it paid? Or whatever? So I'm going to tell you today a great website which I have been using since months, and I am getting all the sound effects which I need for my videos from there. So let's go and check out that website now. So this is the website I was talking about, freesound.org. It's very fairly simple to use. It allows you to download sound effects free of cost. Let's say I want to search the sound effect related to rain. So here is the search bar. Type rain and click enter. And now it will show the search result, the sound effects related to rain. There is a small play button here which you can click and listen to the sound effect and decide which sound effect you want to use in your video clip. Let's say I want to download this heavy rain sound effect. I'll click on this. It says that login to download. So if you are the first time user of this website, you need to register, which is nothing but sign up. Since I have been using this website for months, so I'll log in here. I'll enter my credentials. Enter. And now click download. And see, the download begins here. It's so simple to search and download the sound effects from this website. It's really amazing. You should try this website for the sound effects. So now we have downloaded the sound effects. The next step is to apply this sound effect while editing your videos. So let's go ahead and see how we can apply the sound effects in Adobe Premiere Pro and can make the videos come alive. So this is my Premiere Pro and this is the clip on which I want to apply my sound effect. So it's basically raining and people are walking. I'll apply two sound effects, one sound effect related to rain and other sound effect related to walk of the people. So I'll drag this first sound effect which is related to rain. I can choose any part in this sound effect. Let's say that I want to choose that first part only. So I'll come here, I'll press Ctrl K, cut it. I'll choose another sound effect. Similarly, I'll cut it here and I'll delete this. Go to effects panel, search for constant power, apply this constant power at the start of the sound effect and at the end of the sound effect. This is important because the sound effect may start abruptly and may end abruptly. So that constant power will make sure that abrupt doesn't happen. Also, there may be situations where the sound effect is either too fast or too slow. To fix that, you can always right click and change its speed depending upon your need. And always remember, the sound effect should be subtle. It shouldn't be either too loud or it shouldn't be either too less. So if the sound effect is too loud, select the sound effect, go to effects control panel and lower its decibel to any value depending upon the need. Even if it is of too low volume, you can increase it to +6 max that you can do. So this is how you apply sound effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is all from today's video. Hope you must have liked it. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe this channel, and I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.